Would you like to learn how to make a one-pot lemon garlic shrimp pasta? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you'll need for this lemon garlic shrimp pasta recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. We're also going to need some chopped onions and garlic. Any kind of onion will do. And then I'm going to season the shrimp with some lemon, some Old Bay, as well as some complete seasoning. You never want to over season your shrimp because shrimp is a delicate seafood that doesn't require a lot of seasoning. Though I didn't do it here, the bigger the shrimp, the better. I just went with what I had up in my freezer, child. But to prevent overcooking, jumbo shrimp would be best. Now I'm gonna mix all the seasoning all up together. Now I have some butter in my sturdy pot here, and my fire is on medium. And I'm gonna go in with the onions, grape tomatoes, basil, and fresh garlic. And now I'm gonna season up the veggies with some salad and vegetable seasoning. And I'm gonna add some cooking white wine. And also a little more lemon juice. And I'm gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna turn the heat off before adding in the shrimp. There's a technique and a method to my madness when I'm trying to keep those dishes on the low, okay? After all this fun, we're only gonna have to clean one pot, just how I like it. So I turned the fire off temporarily to prevent the shrimp from overcooking. Now that I've gotten everything all mixed up, I'm going to add in the pasta. I broke the pasta in half and added it to the same pot. And I'm going to season it up a bit with some garlic and herb seasoning, as well as some fresh cracked black pepper. Add a pinch of sugar too. No, it won't make it sweet. Shut your face. The sugar will just balance out the acidity from the tomato silly. Now I broke up the pasta a little bit more and I turned the fire back on to medium. And now I'm gonna add in the water. But the trick is to not add too much water. I'm only adding about a half a cup because we're basically going to let the pasta steam. Steam in the butter, the lemon juice, the wine, and the water. And we're never gonna remove this liquid from the pot. Instead, we're gonna add some delicious Parmesan cheese, and all the liquids are going to marry together with the cheese, creating a magnificent, flavorful sauce, darling. So once you've added the water, you wanna quickly cover the pot and let it cook for only 8 minutes. At which point the pasta will be done, but it may be al dente, which is still cooked but slightly firm. That's how they do it in Rome, boo. Keep up. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Lisa D, so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I'm burning all the wood, so humbling.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. Ain't nothing like a super yummy one-pot meal, child. You can thank me later. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make that feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make that feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make that feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.